Hello and welcome to the video on how to create a review or leave feedback on mademe.co.uk. I'm Faye, one half of Envis and Carriade, and I am going to show you today how to leave feedback or a review for something that you have purchased on the MadeMe website. Now, the important thing to remember here is you can only leave a review for a product that you purchased while you were logged into your account. If you didn't create an account or purchase it whilst being logged into an account, you may have difficulty in posting a review. So the first thing we're going to do is, you can see we've got the mademe.co.uk homepage open, and we are going to log in to our account by clicking the login /register. If you click on there, you'll be able to log in. When you select login or register, you have a few options. You can connect with Facebook, Google, or using an email address. We have a shop account, so ours automatically goes to the shop manager dashboard, where we have the ability to add products, look at the orders that we've received, have a look at the ratings, which is the reviews that we've received from customers, add coupons, change our shop and profile settings. We're going to hover over my account and we're going to click on customer dashboard. The customer dashboard is where we're going to find the items that we purchased and that we want to post a review on. We can also change our default addresses in here. We've got the wish list and payment methods as well. But today we're going to click on purchases and reviews. That's where we will find a complete list of everything that we've purchased. Now, this is a joint account, so it's a long list. It's not just me buying products on here. My business partner has also bought some as well. So here we've got our list of purchases. We've got they're listed by order number and date. They're listed in most recent purchase. And the one I want, I believe, is the second one down on the list. But to double check, what I'm going to do is I will click the view button. By doing this, I can then look at the order in full and make sure that the second listing down is the one that I want to post a review on. Okay, so here you can see the order updates and the order details for that particular order number, and it is in fact the order that I would like to leave feedback for. But before doing that, can you see the box on the right hand side which says mark received? So this is where you can actually let the vendor, the shop seller, know that you've received the package from them. So I shall click mark received, and then I get a prompt box asking if I want to do this. Yes, I do, so I click OK. It will refresh the page. There we go, and you see that the mark received box has gone. So we're going to go back to purchases and reviews. We now know that it is the second listing down, and to the right, obviously, if we click view, we view the order details, but we're going to click leave feedback, and here is the feedback page. So we want to rate our experience. We can select however many of the 5 stars that we want to select. I'm super happy with the fountain pen that I purchased, so I have given them a 5-star review. The next text box down is for a title. That could be anything you choose it to be. And then you've got a long text box to write your review in. Now, as you start writing, the box will be highlighted red. It will go black when it has the right amount of characters within the box. And then when you've finished writing your review, read it through, make sure there's no spelling errors, and then click submit feedback. And that will get emailed directly to the vendor. They'll get an email to say that they've received a review, and that review is now publicly available on their shop page. So while I had purchases and reviews open, I knew that a couple of items I'm still waiting for, but I had a look at the second page of the purchases and noticed that one from August, I hadn't marked it as received. I know it has been received because I've already gifted it to my daughter. So after checking which order it was, as you can see there, just to make sure I was getting the right one, I then click the mark received box, and then that way we know that that order is complete. And that is it. So that's how you leave feedback on mademe.co.uk. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed these series of how-to videos for Made Me, please click the subscribe button and select the bell for notifications. You can follow us on patreon.com at Unravel and Unwind. And I hope to see you again soon. If you've got any suggestions for more videos, please drop them in the comments below, and all feedback is gratefully received.